Hello everyone, welcome to the last episode of Food Alchemist on Earth. As you know, these past weeks we've been talking about plant-based meat and the future of proteins. That's why I wanted to bring up a video that my colleague Paco did a year ago, you can find the link in the description, where Paco showed us how to make a burger with beetroot and tempeh. So, I followed his method and I did a more traditional tempeh with chickpeas. With this tempeh, we are going to make a recipe with seasonal vegetables that we are going to pickle, some lettuce that we are going to use as a taco, fruit and yogurt. Traditionally, tempeh is a fermentation of legumes, mostly soybeans, with the fungi Rhizopus oligosporus. During the fermentation of the legumes, we are increasing the amount of proteins and also their bioavailability, as well as increasing a lot of other nutrients that I'm going to tell you while we do the recipe. That is why tempeh is great for people that are following a vegan or vegetarian diet, but also to people that want to decrease their meat consumption. We can do it in their traditional way, or we can do it with funnier ways, for example a burger, for example some tacos that we are going to learn today. So if you're ready, we are going to start with the recipe that is going to be very healthy, very easy and very sustainable. So let's start.